Hello everyone, welcome to Techie channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete undeletable pages from a Microsoft Word document. Now here, as you can see, I have 3 blank pages that I don't need. So the easiest way to delete them is by pressing Ctrl Shift and End key from your keyboard, and that will select all the blank pages. Now just press delete, and that just deleted all 3 blank pages. Now let's say that you couldn't do it that way, but don't worry, there is another method. What you need to do is go to your home tab and then click on this little icon from here. This will show all the paragraph marks and if there is any hidden symbol that is causing your page not to delete. So click on it, and as you can see, there is a page break here and a paragraph icon. So I'm going to select it and then press delete from my keyboard, and then select all these and then press delete again, and then select this and then press delete, and that just deleted all 3 blank pages. Now click on this icon again and your document will look like as it was before. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.